Olá and welcome to Daily Portuguese.
This is podcast about Portuguese language and Portuguese culture.
Season A1, Episode 11, Tão Tanto.
My people will understand me.
What do you mean, my people?
The my people that pay attention to details.
Yeah, but okay.
The my people of this channel that are not speaking unless it's perfect. Hello, I'm there also.
Yes.
Although I changed over the years. Now I'm using my Portuguese with all the mistakes. Proudly.
Proudly. I own them. We start?
We do.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Bonjour.
Not that channel. But today, I have a very small episode. But you know, it's not the size that matters. So we go for it. Tão e tanto. Your face looks like the size matters. Tão e tanto. What's the difference? Because this is one of the typical mistakes.
What does it mean?
That's what I want to see if you, with all your mistakes, know.
Okay, tell the people, not me.
So, tanto, okay, tão, it means so, and tanto, so much. Okay? So, tão, you use usually with adjectives, and tanto with nouns.
Okay, that's
Huh?
easy.
It is, isn't it?
So big and so much sugar.
So much sugar, yeah. Like, oh, he eats so fast. Ele come tão rápido. Or, ele come tantos doces. Where were we?
Tão and Tanto.
Yes, that's the thing.
So much something.
So, as I said, like, ele come tão rápido, he eats so fast, and ele come tantos doces, he eats so many sweets.
Okay.
So much. Okay? You want to give some example? To show that you learned something today? Your brain is like,
How would you say it's so hot?
Tão quente.
Tão quente. The soup, the weather.
Well, actually, that's, yeah, okay, now you, but we say, yes, because we have a word, and I don't know how to translate this word in English, calor.
Warm. Hot.
Yeah, but we just use it for weather. And we say está tanto calor.
I didn't mean to touch some...
I know you this is like psychology. You touch a part of, now go deep on this trouble. No,
so that's an exception.
Yeah, calor is an exception.
It's
because
so much hot. Like,
yeah.
Okay.
So much heat.
Okay, maybe, yeah. Okay, yeah, because calor can be both, no? It's noun and adjective?
It's a noun. Like, whoa. Okay, now
I didn't mean that.
Okay, now we go there. Now we have to keep ourselves going down this hole. Because calor is just used for weather.
Yes, okay.
And that's it. So the only the exception that I'm thinking right now is like we say está tanto calor. It's
Okay.
like so much heat.
Okay.
The rest is like adjective, like, oh, he's so stupid. Tão stupid. The movie was so good. Tão bom.
Okay. And are there some other exceptions in this?
Not that I can think of. Like most of them, like we can tão you can replace from other words. For example, mesmo.
Which is a lot.
No, mesmo means two things. Means really and the same. So it's like you can say o filme é tão bom. Like the movie is so good. Or
Really good.
Or o filme é mesmo bom. Like it's really good. Okay? That you can replace one for the other. And that's it. So that's it for this short episode. And if you like to know more about classes, where should people go, Maria?
To our website.
Where is the link?
It's in the description for sure.
Mm-hmm.
But if not, then it's coelhoiberianschool.com.
Yes, and if you have any questions, you can always make them and they will be answered.
Yeah, you can I don't know if on all the platforms. For sure, Spotify, you can
Leave a comment, yeah. And then we answer to them.
Yes. Also we have it on YouTube, no?
Yeah, we will.
We don't? So yes, you can also
On
leave
YouTube.
comments. We are everywhere.
Yeah.
We are there for you.
Yeah, like...
I'll be there for you.
Bye.
Bye.